Hello to the inspired, the curious, and the ever-learners. Ali here, and today we're diving into something that's been causing a lot of confusion in the AI world. What's the difference between AI agents and Agentic AI? Don't worry, I'm going to break this down so simply that grandma and grandpa can understand it. Just a quick note, I've posted this paper on my Substack, so if you want a copy, click on the link which I will pin in the comments below. Alrighty, let's get into it. So firstly, let's talk about AI agents. AI agents are like solo contractors. They're great at one specific job. My friend actually gave me a really good example of what this looks like. Picture a factory, any kind that resonates with you, but for me, it's cars, so let's visualize that. In the production line, each manufacturing station is an agent. They have one job and are really good at it. And Agentic AI is like hiring an entire expert team that works together. Imagine a team of medical experts trying to identify what ailment their patient has. One AI analyzes x-rays, another reviews blood work, a third checks patient history, a fourth compares with similar cases. All these AIs work together, share information, and help make a comprehensive diagnosis. So breaking it down to the key differences. AI agents, solo workers, handle one task at a time, follow specific instructions like a chatbot answering questions. Agentic AI are team players, handle complex problems, learn from team experience, like a self-driving car system. Now, why should you care? Well, because this is shaping our future. AI is here to stay. Businesses are using AI agents for customer service. Hospitals are using Agentic AI for better diagnosis. Smart cities are being built with Agentic AI. Your future car will probably use Agentic AI to keep you safe. Right now, there's still more progress to be made, but that's the exciting part. We're moving from simple helpers to sophisticated AI teams that can solve complex problems, learn from each other, make better decisions, and work together seamlessly. So to conclude, remember, AI agents are solo experts. Agentic AI is a team of experts. Both are important, but they serve different purposes. And that's what makes AI so exciting. It's not a one-size-fits-all. And that's it, folks. Hopefully this has easily and clearly explained the differences. Drop a comment below with examples of AI agents or Agentic AI you've encountered. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe for more tech explanations made simple.